Stock investing for beginners. Amazon stock has been going up for 2 days since May 1st. So what happened? Is Amazon stock undervalued, fair value, or overvalued? Do I think that Amazon stock gonna perform well in future? That's what we are gonna talk about today. Amazon stock is up 3.8% for the past 5 days. So it has been up since May 1st, and May 2nd is also up. And 1 month is only up 1.27% because there was a dip right here. And year to date is up 23.2%. That's pretty good. 5 years is up 88.26%. So it's pretty good. It beats S&P 500. Do I own Amazon company? Yes, of course. So I have about 1 or 3 shares. It costs about 13,000. My average cost is around 126. So I could average up, average down. That's what I got. So current price is 184.72. So I've gained over 46%. So the profit is 6,000 US dollars. That's pretty good. Would I sell Amazon right now? No, of course not, because I believe that Amazon stock is fair value right now, and I believe that in future it could go up much more. And especially in US, you don't want to sell a stock less than 1 year. That's one thing you should know. If you want to pay more tax, you can sell less than 1 year. If you want to pay less tax, you can hold it until at least 1 year. So you can sell it after 1 year, then you will pay less tax. I added more shares on Amazon on April 25th. As soon as after I bought it, I sent a letter to my Patreon members. Congratulations if you have bought it. That was quite a dip at the time, 171.43. Within 1 week, if you exclude Saturday, Sunday, within 5 trading days, it jumped to 184.72. So it gained about 7.75% in 1 week, 5 trading days. That's pretty good. If you invest in real estate, 7% in 1 year is considered very, very good. So right now in stocks, you don't have to wait that long. Only 1 week, 7.75%. Congratulations if you bought it and if you gained. Why did Amazon jump? It's because Amazon profit more than triples, topping Wall Street expectations. Not only that, other metrics are pretty good as well. We're gonna look at those metrics and see Amazon advertising grew 24% in the first quarter. Advertising is really important for Amazon right now. Amazon Web Services also reported results that top estimate. So let's look at the details. 98 cents actual EPS versus 83 cents estimate, better than estimate. So in order for the stock to go up, the actual result have to be better than expectations. As long as it's better than expectations, the stock has more likely to go up. Not only that, the guidance has to be really good as well, and all the other factors also play a part in pushing the stock price up. Revenue 143.3 billion versus 142.5 billion. AWS 25 billion, better than expectation, 24.5 billion. Advertising 11.8 billion, better than expectation, 11.7 billion. Operating income saw more than 200%. That's what investors love to see. Remember, revenue is what the company makes. But if it bleeds lots of cash flow outside, if it's making a loss, shareholders get nothing. Shareholders only get what is left, which is profit, cash flow inside. So we really like to see that. Cost-cutting measures, people love it. Investors really love it. Not the employees, they lay off more than 27,000 employees. So they're not gonna like it, but investors, they love it. And focus on efficiency, yes. AWS accounted for 62%. Remember, most of you probably think Amazon is an online shopping e-commerce company. No, Amazon is a technology, a cloud company. AWS is a main profit driver. Yes, Amazon makes a lot of revenue from e-commerce, but they are making losses in that business segment. But they are making lots of profits in AWS that has a very big profit margins. E-commerce very low and they are stay very low profits, and most of the time they have been making losses. So without AWS, Amazon is nothing. I would not have bought Amazon stock without AWS. What is AWS? Amazon Web Services hosts companies' data. If you watch Netflix, you try to look for movies and you click on it, it doesn't come from nowhere. It comes from Amazon Web Services. So Netflix hosts all their movies on Amazon Web Services servers. When you click on something, it draws the data from the server. Amazon has customers like Netflix, so many customers. It's very hard for Netflix to change their vendor. They're not going to change from Amazon to Google, Alphabet, or Microsoft because it's going to take about 3 years to completely switch. Very high switching costs. I really like it. That's why I own Amazon. Net income also more than triple to 10.4 billion from 3.17 billion. 98 cents from 31 cents from a year ago. Sales increased 13% and continue jump in profitability. That's what we love to see. Continue jump in profits. Very good. And remember, profits is what we keep. The more profits cash a company has, we shareholders profit from increasing cash, increasing profitability, increasing cash inflow. Revenue in current quarter is expected to be 144 to 149 billions. Analysts were expecting 150.1 billions. Yeah, a little bit below analysts, but it doesn't matter. All the other metrics are really good, and most importantly, profits and cost cutting. That's what investors love. We want to see more income, more profits. Operating income will be 10 billion to 14 billion, up from 7.7 billion. So almost double. So that's why stock jump. Even though the revenue expectation is a little bit higher for this current quarter, it really doesn't matter because investors know that we're gonna see more profits at Amazon. Sales at AWS accelerated 70%. That's pretty good. And even though last year it was slow, now it's getting better. Earnings growth has been driven in part by cost cutting. Very good. Basically, it try to minimize costs, try to maximize efficiency. That's what investors love. They lay off more than 27,000. Yeah. Another thing is advertising saw sales surge 24%. That's what we love. Amazon is trying to catch up with Meta, Alphabet, and advertising has very high profit margins. That's why investors love it. Amazon started running ads in Prime Videos, and analysts predict could generate significant revenue over time. I also think so because Netflix also added advertising, but they haven't seen revenue jump quite significantly very fast yet. But over time, yes. The same way with Amazon, yes as well. That's why Netflix stock jump, Amazon stock jump as well. And revenue grew faster than retail cloud computing. It's an important profit driver for Amazon. Yes, that's why I own Amazon. Look at that, profits 6,103 shares. And if you want to know what I buy, what I trade, you can click the link down below, join the Pay2 purchase, share, subscribe. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.